Alright, so I'm going to go over the disassembly and a couple differences between 3 different rifle styles. This is just a Noveske Gen 4. It's a direct impingement rifle. Easy process to disassemble. There's takedown pins on both sides here. Just going to press the rear one, open that up on the back, let it hinge open. Pull the charging handle back a little bit, grab the bolt carrier, bring that straight out, set that down. Pull the charging handle out, you'll feel it kind of get stuck a little bit, drop it straight down, pull that right out, and then you have all your lower control units in there. In order to take the upper away from the lower, just pull that pin out and disassemble both of those like so. For piston guns, it is almost identical process for those. You're going to push that pin straight through, pull that all the way out. It's going to hinge open. The lower is pretty much the same, except this one doesn't have a buffer tube on it because it doesn't work for the operation. Pull the charging handle back, pull the whole bolt carrier back. This one does have the springs attached to that. Those will come out, same thing. You're going to have that dip straight down, pull that out, and that is the entire thing disassembled there. This one does have a piston system, so your adjustments are right in here. You can disassemble that to clean inside there, but that's after a lot of rounds. It's not really necessary for piston-driven guns. And then AKs are long stroke piston operated. These ones you don't have to do that as much either. Just press this back dust cover, lift that right off, pull that spring down and out, and then pull the bolt all the way out. And that is pretty much as far as you would actually have to break these down.